Yeah, East Coast, it's your boy LIL Pistol, y'all. The spirit of death. I'm still here, man. Believe it. You know, you haters don't like it, man. It's a nigga with the attitude all day, man. This ain't my brain, LIL Pistol. East Coast kid. Look, hit this rap game, taking the part, telling me to stop. They go behind the dark and stay there for real. Cause you don't wanna see me in my face. Come on, son, cause you know I will kill. But still, ain't gotta do none of that. All I gotta do is run the track. I'm on dog like a running lyrically, son, but I ain't doing all that. Get too tired quick. Working out of sweat, son. When I can sit and do this, you already know I'm on the chill mode. I'm on dog, I do what I gotta do to keep it real. You know what I'm saying? Keep it on the snow. They gon' be taunted, son. You already know. Let the purple man like he came. I'm on dog, like I'm gonna tell you the story once again. I'm on dog, look at me, kid. My life, yo, it's never gonna change. It's already to the death. I'm already dead. You just didn't know, son. It's already to the left. Come on, y'all. Yo, can see my spirit, son. It's way better than goodbye. Come on, dog. Yeah, I try to be a good guy, but that don't really mean nothing to y'all. Little lame. I'm around, you don't appreciate it either until I show you. Y'all don't play no games, and then you wish. I can say it like this. A good little nigga, they can make you laugh instead of the ball in my fist and just swinging it. Cause the praying boy, I don't mind bringing it. Better do that. Come on, dog, believe it. Come on, dog, lay your flag, son, and you still sleeping. But you didn't believe it, y'all can get greasy. Come on, son, ain't gotta be a reason. Come on, dog, cause this ain't psycho. They greasy thoughts in my brain, son. You already know I can turn like Michael. Yeah, like the Maya. That's why I wear the psycho made grooves in the outfit to go with it too. You already know dressing all black, son. Ready to kill anybody that stand in my way. And it's too bad you got me like this, but it is what it is either way. Come on, dog, ain't no escape. Come on, dog, so you might as well stand tall like a soldier and bust a break if a motherfucker come down. Come on, ready to war, here real mean. Come on, dog, come on, dog. So you up, son. You already know without the team. My unit gave niggas. That's where you turn me to, dog. I'm around is hot, well done. What I know, son, is the well-known gun. Come on, y'all know where I come from. Been soft and everything. Everybody used to love me. Girls, sexy bitches used to hug me and wanted me to have sex with the kid. Come on, dog, next to this. Come on, dog, and then they see the clip and everything with it. And they still didn't get it. So they didn't care about it. But now I'm coming back in life after I got stabbed, dog, and then they don't like it. Come on, dog, then they want to fight me real quick and fight it. Yeah, like they try to keep close. Try not to say nothing to me, cause they already know they will become ghosts. You already know, dog, most of these folks already know how low young niggas go. I let it be known, son, yeah, that like a rap show, yeah, I got a new experience that I never thought I would ever experience. Come on, dog, you already see what it be, son. Yeah, you gave me so sickness, I forget this. You already know, son, like a lyric, I got all my lyrics. Come on, dog, on my mind too, son, you forget this. I got a lot of enemies, a lot of friends, young, that pretend to be, yeah, friends with me. Come on, dog, wanna be close family, but they really don't. They really hate me for real. All they want is what they want, yeah, they want my money and everything else. You already know you in my life. Come on, round, dog, even had, already had a chance with your wife, get married twice. Come on, dog, it's crazy, you know, yeah, this is how it be. Damn, shit ain't right. You know, I'm trying to look up the price. You know, I'm trying to be nice, but it's just too hard, son, to take that advice. So I do the opposite of that is that demon, that negativity. You already know that activity, there ain't no act to me. Come on, dog, this really get killing you, you really get crazy. Come on, dog, the game is really rising our daisy. Everything is falling apart. Look at this life is crumbling. All these little niggas in the game don't see the world. It's really getting dark. Family is playing family. You already know it. Nobody wanna be friends with you. They wanna be close. Come on, brown, son, it's changing to be who I be today, but it is what it be, son. That's why I say, come on, dog, I do is speak the truth. All I try to do is be happy and do what I do without getting in trouble, without using the tooth, without killing anybody and hurting anybody, putting them in the hospital or in the grave. Come on, brown, dog, just get in the hospital, you know. You already know, treat me like a slave and beat me too. Try to Pistol now, they don't want me to be that. Come on, son, I used to be that little dude. You already know they used to call me my government, but now, fast forward time, now, they call me my government name. Still, you already know when the beef is real. Come on, son, what happened in the good old days? All my little gangsters used to call little Pistol, run away to put in that work, cause they already knew I was gonna do that dirt. Put them down real quick, come on, son, make sure anybody get hurt. They come across me and my team, come around, son, and everybody hate that kid. So I try to change. They don't believe I can be mean. Come on, son, that's crazy, right? Now I can turn green like cash. Come around, son, they give me flash. Them just so fast, I'm trying to catch up. I need some mustard with it too, son. Damn, I need to flash up, you already know, son. Confess up to the Lord. Yeah, without the sins, you already see what it be, son. It's out down, you already see how it begins. How it lives in, live through in the cloud. Yeah, like I'm winning heaven, but I'm didn't. Come around, son, this is spirit. I need my life cause I'm still living. Yeah, I can't believe it. My dog still giving me pain. That's how I do, son. Giving me my new name. Come on, dog, what you what, Mr. Crocker, man? Come on, dog, come and retarded once again. And can't take it. I gotta hurt something now. I gotta really exterminate people. Come on, Brown, son.